Hi, Bennett. What do you have today? Who is that one? Can I see it? Who is this? Talking Ferdinand? What other ones do you have?
Talking Gordon.
You have Talking Gordon
Talking James.
and Talking James?
Yeah.
Let's see, Talking James?
But
Talking James. Are you gonna open them? Can you push the button to see him talk?
open it.
You wanna open it? Okay. What other ones did you get? Did you get any ones or just these three?
You open Gordon.
There you go. Can you open the rest?
James.
Is that Talking James?
You open Gordon.
Wow.
You open Gordon.
Open Gordon now?
Yeah. You open Gordon.
Okay, there you go.
Gordon.
Gordon. Can I hear it?
You open
Wow. Open that one. What's his name?
Ferdinand.
Ferdinand? Talking Ferdinand? Wow. What's his name again? Ferdinand? Talking Ferdinand.
So tender.
It's his Tinder? Wow.
To our Ferdinand. It's together.
Put it together.
There is Ferdinand.
Can you push his button? Can we listen to him?
Hello, I'm Ferdinand.
Wow. Put them all together.